to where we run into a problem. As you can see, the wrap's stuck behind the mirror because I like wrapped it to about right here, inside behind the mirror. So we got to get in there. The only way to get in there is by loosening up the mirror. As you can see, there's some 10mm. Shout out to Juan, hooked me up earlier with the 10mm. You know, you always got to carry a 10mm on hand. Fits right in. So we're gonna loosen them up and get the mirror loose a little so that we could be able to get those leftover pieces of wrap. All right, so now that I was able to get all that wrap off from in behind the mirror, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in, put the nuts back on it, tighten it up, and do the same for the other side. All right, guys, so a week later, I'm finally removing the top of the roof wrap. This is where I'm at right now. I already got this fin loosened up. I already took the nut off and everything. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put the little flag right there so you can check out how to remove that. And I already started taking off some of the wrap. It's coming off real easy. So now I'm gonna loosen up that third brake light so that we can get full access, because I did tuck in there as well. And I obviously tucked in here. That's why I'm removing the fin. But yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down and get all this wrap removed. Now we got the top of the wrap off and thrown in the trash. We're gonna put everything back together. Also, another thing I forgot to mention, just got this dual 4-inch outlet, 3-inch inlet stainless steel exhaust tip installed in Laredo, Texas by my boy Estrada. I'll put the info right now right there. And this is a exhaust tip I was running before. Once I got that installed, I was just looking at it from the side and I just saw that it looked like it was too much going on with the silver wrap up top, and then now that the exhaust tip stands out, so that's what made me get this wrap removed. But yeah, other than that, I like the way it came out. I like the way it's sticking out. They ask you there how much you want it out or how much you want it down or whatever. They put in the exact spot. And once you have it in the spot that you like it, they go ahead and tack it down. And from there, just finish the welds. But I like the way it looks. Oh, yeah. If you guys like this content, feel free to drop a like, subscribe, comment if you guys have any questions. And without further ado, we out.